Hey, what's up, Stirnis, Mr. Nation, and to my players. Welcome to 1010 from the NAFO podcast. On my right, we have Tobani Vomindaba. Finesse bene kama lako le hip hop man.
Yo, aphuma pho.
Okay, just finesse bene kama lako uzalisebenzisa apha.
Where? Okay, sayibona bayizahamba ithi.
Okay. On my left, we have uSimpiwe Mashetla, Musmash.
Kutheni nje umndado lo funeka bele gama le hip hop.
Smash kaloku.
We'll use the smash.
Oh.
So it's a name ngusmash funeka nawo.
Yo.
Toby Tobbs. Awukwazi bangutata Tobbs because kuno uncle Tobbs.
Yebo.
Asifuni
igama.
Hey, ndelo yika but ke sake sibone.
Noba ngu-VUM.
Yo.
Vam.
Viewers.
Kanye. Uzoma ngu-V1 view.
Yo, what did?
Okay. So today we are discussing David Ngobo. Ndibuza Bokland.
Awubuzanga umuntu ufondile.
Okay.
Yeah, assume masishable bro.
Ukland.
Ndishava nini? How's it?
Clean. Ukland now but
Amnandi. Oh. Amnandi nosikhala.
usibethe ngeora.
Awubona ngichabe nokucela.
Ora farming.
Awubona ngichabe nokucela.
Okay, so today we are discussing David Ngobo, Nasty C, uzalwa Nasty C.
Yeah.
Yes. If you buy your phone, pull up the bio.
Nasty C is from KZN. I know that he was born Bantsiga Yesizwe David Junior Ngobo. Yeah.
Oh, sure.
So
It's Nasty C is a South African rapper, songwriter, and producer, born Tsika Yesizwe David Junior Ngobo on the 11th of February 1997 in Durban, South Africa. He began rapping at the age of 9, released his debut mixtape at 14, and rose to prominence on the success of his single Juice back in 2015.
Okay.
Yeah, born in Durban.
Oh, sure. If anyone asks Nasty C, Nasty C, guys, what song can you give them or can you suggest to them? Echazo Nasty C.
Emchazayo kanye
Ebonisa umculo wakhe, mangathi emchazayo. Ebonisayo ba this is what you have to expect.
just one kanye.
Just one kalo.
just one song.
Juice back for me.
What ufuna yazi ba?
Ufuna ukwazi nje ifeel umculo kaNasty C. Just back it?
You are asking a different question. You xa usithi xa ufuna ukwazi feel.
You feel ufuna akamazi Nasty C. Ufuna uyazi ba kuqhubeka ntoni ngoNasty C.
You feel. Yeah, it's gonna be very difficult because Nasty C has changed over the years.
Exactly.
Okay.
Because the Nasty C from Juice back all the way to Hell No. That's the same kind. And then you transition to black and white. Black, that's a different Nasty C.
Yes.
And then you get the Nasty C this recent album, Asano Coupe. I love it here.
Okay.
It's a different sound, different sounding Nasty C. Yeah.
Okay. If you don't know Nasty C, just write Nasty C. Uzobona longo, uzayibona. Hilo face azabeku yabomeni bakhe. Okay. Well, so we will be doing 10 songs. We will be ranking from track number 1 up until track number 10. I'm rating them from which song deserves 1 out of 10, which song deserves 10 out of 10. We'll start with you, Namhlanje. City well.
Okay.
1 out of 10.
Hey, it's hard, man. My 1 out of 10. Nasty C. Has to be a song, Pagla Zuluman with some power. Langoma iti overpriced steak. Yeah, for me that's a 1 out of 10. I just don't like the whole project.
Okay. Oh, in fact, what's your favorite project? We're gonna see Carl, just before we get to that.
Okay, my favorite project, Nasty C. I'm sorry to say this. Go bad hair, whether go extensions or but bad hair
But
for
bad
me.
hair.
That project for me it was super produced. Everything was on point. There's a song there, Problems. With Eric
Yeah, I
Rush.
got problems. Yeah, I love that
so
song.
for me, I resonated
Yeah.
with Nasty C in that in
I've
that
been
album.
crying for a while now.
Uh, Even though
It's a good song.
he sounded far from
Our context.
from our context.
Yeah.
But that project on point.
Sure. Okay. Mine is Strings and Blings.
Yeah. Yeah.
Strings and Blings.
Yeah, that's a proper album.
I wanna
Strings
from start to part.
To finish.
Yeah. You I go Strings and Blings. Okay, one song, one album. I wanna say also I had kuya kwanzima ukuyikhombana le list because I had to give in ingoma endizaziyo. Yabo.
Yeah, you can't choose from
And
songs that you don't know.
Right now, as ngoma ndisikhethileyo from 1 to 5, singakwazi uba ngu-6 until 10. It's just that ngoku ndenza le list zezi ngoma ezinqonde manje ndizibeke phaa. Yabo. So uthe kuwe ngubani?
overpriced steak.
Okay, wena.
Bad hair extensions.
Naku?
For me, I love it here. But ulwa no Strings and Blinks. I love that album.
Oh my.
But yeah, I think I've fallen in love. I fell in love with the sound Yake on I Love It Here. Yeah, he's matured.
Broken marriages.
All of it from one.
Dear Oliver.
Dear Oliver is one of my favorites.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you're one out of 10 song?
Overpriced steak.
Overpriced steak. Go allow.
Allah.
Hey.
Featuring French
Featuring
Montana.
Montana.
French.
French.
Montana.
It's a battle for me because this is gonna it's unfair but upatichula for me.
Ayo yakhe usumfaka upatitshula kayo yakhe.
Ayo yakhe.
Yala mthetho waseAmerica udibanise abantu abaninzi
Ne.
kumapha
Hayi ke nguyle sandobika uthi ngiba.
allow.
Yeah.
No.
Because it was
Montana. Allow.
That's why I was asking that question.
Masizifake. Andiyazi phayana. Andiyazi where's ba. Man, andiyazi kwenzani nona.
upatichula.
Even nala ngoma, ndipatitshula allow.
Oh,
Andiyazi kwenzeka ntoni. Hayi umnandi upatitshula
It's
yo.
busy.
Kwayibhithi man. Andiyazi wesona sisingeza zikhathi. Wayengalanasti si.
exactly.
Qinga la ngoma.
I think it was the pressure.
The
I think the pressure.
The feature.
Oh.
The feature was important. Noba is kuyiphi ingoma. Mna, that's how I felt allow. It's like, okay, you've got French Montana. Just khangela nayiphi na ingoma where you think it can work. So what is the better way of taking a feature uyifake as an intro song in your project? That's how I looked at allow.
So umbeke awuna akekho ku list yakho.
Ukhona but kum andimbekanga.
It's the number one.
my one is overpriced steak.
Okay, sure.
From that ugly album yaka Nasty C, Zululand with some
Number 2 out of 10. Better go speaking up.
Sure. Number 2 out of 10, Cat Ken John. Yo. I
my 2 out of 10 is allow.
Oh, it's the same.
And I've already gave my input on it.
Okay. My 2 out of 10 go NTA or Ucheck.
Check. Check number 2. Why?
The chilo nje basingoma endizaziyo ndizithandayo. I love all these songs ne. But
kwelist uzithandayo nifolisha ku number 2.
One up until 10 could easily be 5 to 10. 1 up until 5 could easily be 5 up until 10. Because these are the songs I go to and listen to. It's just that in Goku, they decided.
So that means awunazo ingoma that ezingengo go to when it comes to uNSC.
Anazo apha. Andifunanga biza ingoma esingazoyazi.
Ne.
Mhlawumbe ndibiza ingoma ethile overpriced steak yabo. Bazi nobazi overpriced steak. Ndayimamela kayi-1 la album.
For me, Zulu Man. Number 2.
Number 2.
Imbinyana. Imbinyana. I mean, for me, kula album, hey, bruh, kula album, it's difficult to digest and shit.
But now I watch Oshemo too, but that's not his, because I don't know which podcast was he on. Kusutwa Makabali, his favorite. And why make it Kubelin is each and now, but that's not his best body of work.
3 out of 10?
Yo, man, it's a struggle. It's a struggle.
Kunzima
My 3 out of 10. Hey, I can go 3 straight, yes?
It could easily be 6.
It could easily be 5.
Okay.
Ilangoma Life of a Part. Lena no Dali Wong.
Okay.
I'm a life of a party. Na. Later I slow down. Lang at sabu piano.
Yes. Ulando ka uthi number 3.
3 out of 10.
Buku Bucks.
Yabona zona.
Amazi. Yo, iwasikhiyathandwa la ngoma.
Ayaziwa mna ndim naqala.
Awumazi
From which project?
It's almost black and white. Yo man from Zulu Man with some power.
Yo, yeah.
Okay, my 3 out of 10 is easy.
Yeah, it's a nice song.
Boom, easy. It's okay, you okay?
Are you okay now?
If you're gonna write about the same subject, ne? I don't know. Ingaske. There are better songs he's written about his mom. Than you okay. Ukraine, otherwise I listen to Yena. No, I never change. I never switch up.
Oh, I love that song.
And that's my turn.
Boy.
But then switch off for when I go back to Nasty C.
I love even the beat.
Yeah.
Yo.
Okay, that's my 3 out of 10. Easy. 4 out of 10.
Yeah. Hey, man.
Jamazim, no.
Okay.
Casanova.
Casanova.
My name is
Casanova.
Casanova. It's not that it's a bad song or anything, but I think, yeah, I can put it there.
Okay. Yeah, I can go. You don't go over.
Now, my 4 out of 10 has to be Loco, the one with Casper Nyovest. For me, it did not live up to
Yo,
standard.
actually, that should have been number 1. Yo,
It did not live up to the. It did not live up to the standard
even
at
for me,
all.
man. Because listen to uNSC and Casper Nyovest on Jump, and then listen. Man, it didn't. It didn't. Yo, that should have been number 1.
4 out of 10.
Yeah, that's my 4 out of 10.
4 out of 10. I'm go hell no. You? Okay, don't do it. Don't do it.
Yeah. Go.
Well, no, because I'm going like that.
Hey, ma uthi ngunamba bani lo?
Number 4.
Uthini ngom?
Don't do it. No, okay, hell no.
Yo, okay, sure.
Yeah, but bruh, Nasty C is one guy who has
Good songs.
don't like. If Kuko ingoma bigger than Ujuice Bag is not my 10 out of 10 song. He has managed to make music that surpasses the
first song that he did, yeah.
Yabo? So for me, uzakotuka playlist because when I listen to him, ukulele.
Yeah.
There's no bruh. Bye.
I got 5 one.
Okay, what's your 4 out of 10?
My 4. Can you be now 4?
Take a look. Local 1. Ngithanda yasivumelani ngangomeni sonke apha. Akho umuntu uthe ubize ingoma
Nasty
eyi-one.
C.
Another one down.
Another one down.
Yeah.
Yabo.
Aisha. Okay. Okay. 5 out of 10. My 5 out of 10. For me, it's like the same thing that happened to the intro song ka Bad Hair Extensions. Having a French Montana on Allow. For me, King with ASAP Ferg. For me, is also another one that does not do it for me.
Really?
I expected
King.
Nah, for me.
King. Yo.
For me, I'm like, even if Honesty C ever heard on that song. For me. For me.
It's Marshall fella.
I'm like,
But i-comments zithi uNasty C kule phase yakhe ebekwazi ukwenza abantu ekudala bekugame basamde like i-amateur.
no, yabona, my case is that Anditi Honesty C was better than Ferg in that song. But what I'm saying is, I don't think Ferg wathatha a game yakhe wayanayo in that song. The energy, the vibe around the song.
I'm not familiar with him. I can't even say much.
Let me put it this way. Even though bengamelanga bangabanza kwenza umzekelo ngenye artist kuba sisenza Honesty C, but I have to do it. I have to do it kwenzela sikwazi u understand. Okay, ubone xa khona i-feature ye-artist ase-America ne-artist ase-South Africa. Naxa khona i-feature ye-artist ase-Nigeria ne-artist ase-South Africa. Uyabona umahluko ubangakanani? Bamkhulu umahluko. Eza-Nigeria iba sonical, iba ngathi iyacaca ukuba ayikho forced. Whereas ase-South Africa iba ngathi they are paid to be features. You understand? Even
I've never noticed that. I don't
even
wanna
the
lie.
way they push the songs.
Okay,
Yabo.
uthi if features from us South Africans xa sihamba siyofuna feature Nigeria.
No, what I'm saying is, artist ase South Africa xa ine feature with an American artist, iba ngathi le yase South Africa ibhatele for that feature.
But
imangqibe.
Okay.
Iba ngathi ibhatele, ndaxelela nale kawale suyingxamene.
Sure.
Iba ngathi i-artist ibhatalele for that feature. Kuba nomuntu xa umbhatalele ebekho away okanye bengakwazi ukwazi ngalamzuzu nenza la ngoma.
Yeah.
You can feel the energy is not there.
Yeah, go.
Whereas whereas the American one, the Nigerian ones and their song, you can even see they even promote those songs. They do quite a lot of things around it. Umzekelo, uyambona Beautiful Onyinye.
Yeah, no,
Beautiful Onyinye really showed us ubanangaba that feature was
about Akon, no, that's it.
Beautiful Onyinye. Zeza Brothers, P Square. No Rick Ross.
No Rick Ross.
Beautiful
Oh,
Onyinye.
sure.
We are evil away. And then on the other hand, in a case you got Drake no Wizkid. Yeah, now ubona phi lantu banangaba apha nyanyani kuyasetyenziswana. You will have Drake in your album. Drake will have you on their album. Do you understand? You get me? The only time now where a South African artist worked with an international artist, Kwavakala, it happened with Black Coffee first and then with Tyler. That is where I really felt Tyler.
I think even it's like the energy is not reciprocated.
No.
It's like our artists the groupies of these guys.
Not really, but I paid you to be part of this thing.
Yeah.
So I do what I'm paid for.
Yeah, I get you.
Because kwazangoma you would feel, lo muntu but akayikhuphanga ngalendlela bekumele ba uye unancika ngayo. Yabo?
Okay, I get you.
So that's why I'm saying u5 wam nguKing. And the reason why ndibeke ku5, it's halfway. It's not weak, but I feel like the guy could have done more.
I get you. 5 wakho lo ne.
Yeah.
5 wami ngu-Phases.
Yeah. Yo, ndikhumbuze.
Yo, Faces.
Nje umla wamaziyo Faces
Rolling. I mean, like yabona phala mntana Rolling.
Boy,
Damn.
okanye all in, which is Nasty C no TI.
Yo, why when do you always have two songs? It's like
Iyacompete.
Une is like akafuna uchoose.
Indecisive.
Okanye
Yo!
Ndathu.
Umkhalaza lwethu wena
Make a decision.
Okay, I'm Faces.
Yeah.
Faces ananditheni ngingoma yami endincanywayo. It's just that it's from 6 to 10.
Hayi ndanga.
Zincanywa zonke.
Hayi ndanga yabona yabona Thomas une on this one uzicelela bangaba akafuna uba nengoma akafuna
Hayi, ndibona uba umncanya nyhani Shem uNasty C.
No, mna ndibona le party bangaba akafuna ugxeka ingoma so that kwi-comments
Angashayo.
hater.
Yazi but ingxaki uNasty C kumjito grand all together bra. And bendimamela okokokmos lewe sithetha namhlanje then sibe neviki. Oko ndimane ndimamela ndithi yo sinikhumbuza somewhere ezingoma. Ngokube ziphuma and right through mna in fact ndingasivela ndizitshintsha zonke ndithi Juice Back ngo 1 out of 10. And like akho 10 noba ngingathuka kudala ngingathuka. It's just that I love Nasty C.
I get you.
Yeah.
I get you. Yo.
Okay, 5 out of 10.
My 5 out of 10. It's difficult.
Hard.
Don't do it.
Then big man go big 4 out of 10. Okay. Don't do it. Okay, sure.
Don't do it.
I got 6 out of 10 encanywa ke le.
That's ngubano 6 out of 10.
Yeah, so 6 out of 10.
Yo.
They're going to show you.
Yeah,
But
unfortunately, on my list, I will not have songs ezininzi from free. Ne? So 6 out of 10 has to be Soft, featuring Usima Mane.
Yeah.
That song for me, ne? It's a good song, but lendo yami yothanda ubane expectations.
Working hard just to be soft. Yeah, and I had high expectations.
And
Sure.
the concepts as sebenzileyo to promote the song, the grand, but it's just another song.
Okay. My 6 out of 10 go King is a fag.
You're 6 out of 10. Yeah, but you're not that far. You're not that far.
Yeah, but like it's just 9. Learn from me, boy has go from 5 until 10. Could easily be 10 to 5.
Good girls.
Oh, good girls.
So, but that don't do nothing. 7 out of 10. 7 out of 10.
My 7 out of 10. Hell no.
Boy,
I am never gonna quit. Hell no. Yes.
Will I down it down a bit?
Hell no.
Am I running to it?
The reason why I'm putting that song on 7.
But yo, can I say it's not easy, bro.
It's because the reason why I'm putting it on 7, it's because the other 3 songs, as a good 8, 9, and 10, it can go either way.
Yeah.
Okay. My 7 out of 10, Juice Back.
Yo, I don't even know where to put it Juice Back. What?
Juice Back introduced us to Nasty C. Vicious Kid. Bulala, it features left, right, and center. Doesn't matter no about David, it doesn't matter no about Casper, doesn't matter no about Bana. Ram. And a yiki in a confidence, in a charisma, in arrogance. So Juice Back, Juice Back was a song that told us, mana, hip hop yalapha eMzansi ayizuphelela kwikasirap yabo khona intwana ezizawuthi qinga elihlobo zizithi ram
Ikhwabazi.
uzive uba ezizikhoya kushukuma izitulo the throne. So yeah, I'll choose back. Yeah. And
Yeah. Yo, and I really love Uchus Back Mnaqala. Too much.
Yo.
What's the production of that song?
Boy,
Gemini Major.
it's tough, man. Definitely go to choose back, but on my number, I had in mind, oh, She's Gone. First song on. Because I love that introspective necessary. Yeah. So it's about good. Choose back, but
You're gonna nail it.
yeah, I'm gonna nail it.
You're gonna nail it.
I'm gonna say She's Gone till the end. She's gone in the end.
8 out of 10. Okay. Now, for me to be able to do 8 out of 10, I must think, what am I putting at 9 and putting it at 10?
Yeah.
Because I might be ndingazivalele koneni kube khona ingoma endingayifaki. My 8 out of 10 sure. Wait. I must be sure.
Yes, because ingoma now no music video is.
I must be sure. My 8 out of 10.
Does it have to?
Well.
Oh, boy. Sabotage,
No.
Okay.
My 8 out of 10. Yo. My 8 out of 10. Juice Back.
Okay.
I really love this. I really love the song. It's good, it's funky and power. And the producer, I believe, in Gemini Major. So yeah, that song is perfect. Production on point. The song Nestis in the pen yake out of this. Oh, as neighbor said, Chilo Nestis Paya. Yeah.
My 8 out of 10 go strings and bling.
Strings.
And playing. It's because there's so many songs I can understand.
Bruh.
The peace they bring to me.
Video, ucho baba. So one baba nika babantu eziweke. And then ucho kugqibeleni ba. These are all the people that made the strings that connected to me. And then
Oh, you even watched the video.
Yo, right.
And they are no in a video.
oh, uyeskela, uya ku Peltusi, uya ku Slika, uya ku Scoop Makhathini, uya kwenye So Football Club.
Like Supermac.
Uncle Shaw, yes. Uncle Shaw. But babhalele bafake ne Blacks, uya ku Miss Cosmo, banike Blacks esithile for they contributed into making him. They connect the dots is connected for bana makabekele ndawo kuyo. So that's my 8 out of 10. Beautiful video, beautiful song. If you're mamela man, I'll think about the album indala. So a grand.
That's your number 8.
That's my 8 out of 10.
Yeah. And I think zonke zam zizawuphuma kwelanto kashen ku
I love it here.
Endless.
Okay.
Does it?
8 out of 10.
Yeah. Okay, my 8 out of 10. Okay, wait. I need to be really careful. 8 out of 10. Are we on 8 out of 10?
Yeah, what?
Sure. 8 out of 10.
9 wams on the show because I'm sure
eight-
aninayo kwaku
Release. What?
8 out of 10 for me. Hey, wait. I need to be sure. I need to be sure. My 8 out of 10.
Yo,
You
just
my
to see
baby.
hard.
You my baby.
Really?
My baby.
Baby,
That's
baby,
my- that's
who
my-
gave
that's
birth
my-
to
that-
this?
yeah.
What in your world is this? This.
Yeah, that's my 8 out of 10.
Okay.
I love that song. I end it there.
akaloku 8 out of 10 wambe ngostrings and bling. So,
What's your
whoa.
9? Oh, number 9.
8 out of 10.
Uba.
8 out of 10 wakhe kangambi auto endless.
Kaloku
Oh, siku 9 out of 10
9 go.
Ngu-9 ube ndimbizi?
Eh.
No, kaloku.
Hayi bebizo 8 kaloku yena uqale ngam.
Sure. So what's your 9 out of 10?
Okay. My
Usakhangela wena ngathi ready.
Oliver, dear Oliver. Yeah. It's your dad speaking.
Hayi lena namhlanje iyabonakalisa uNasty C ba uversatile.
He's worked hard. Super hard.
Even nakwingoma ezikathi chilled unikeza 100% yakhe.
So
My 9 out of 10 Mrs. Me.
Mrs. Me. Yo, I love that
Okay.
song, bruh.
Okay.
You
Yo!
hate me, but I know you don't. It's okay. I fucked up so much. I'm still surprised you don't. What's your plan? To love me forever, like you promised in 11th grade, and never break that promise, even though I didn't hesitate. I owe you a rose for every breath you take. Yo,
Yo.
yo, yo.
Nage, my 9 out of 10. Yeah, inzima le decision. Le decision yenziwa ingqondo yam. Ziyi-2 ezingoma shekle. And kwezingoma shekle ndine problem. There's the other song I believe this song is the biggest song Nasty C has ever released. I can't put it on number 9. I can't put it on number 9. But this one enye shiyekileyo is my favorite song Nasty C has ever recorded.
Which favorite song with 9? For biggest with 10.
Yo.
These are.
The favorite song yam Nasty C wakhe wayereleasa ngo-Problems with Eric Rush.
Okay.
I got problems. That song, that's my favorite song ever. And the biggest song Nasty C has ever released was Send Me Away, SMA. So I have these 2 songs as Shegley. Now I'm going to choose which one should I put at 9 or 10. So I'll put, for me, for argument's sake, and for my heart, I'll put Send Me Away at 9, Problems at 10.
Right.
For me.
Okay.
Because Send Me Away, mkulu, la way, ingoma inkulu, grand, crossover. But Problems uthetha nam directly, bruh.
Okay.
So 9, Send Me Away, 10, Problems. So I'm just yeah.
Okay. So to the 10 go.
No,
9 galo.
9.
9 or
9 being Mrs. Me.
I know Mrs. Me number 9.
Oh.
Yeah.
So 10 ben bayafana.
I love. Nah, those are fun too.
Okay. 10 wam Send Me Away.
Gumung 9.
Mama, I love that Nasty C is for everyone. If you want rapid rap, Nasty C uzamfumana. If you want a lover boy, Nasty C uzayifumana. And akusuba if ufumane rapper, uzofumana 8 out of 10 rapper. If ufumane lover boy, uzofumana 9 out of 10 ka lover boy. Grand magala onke, yabo. So that's what I like. Another 10, bro.
Number 10 wam mnabuza bakuba. Hell no.
I never gonna quit.
Hell no. That song kuba ke uJuice back but send him fakile. Hell no is one of the songs noba say sithi gqiphi kuba lanto uba uthi mhlawumbe lithi ba play me some music okanye on a shuffled playlist. If it comes across I can never just say hi dlula. So
Send Me Away.
I think ndiyadikwa zingoma eziyezibekwe high rotation kakhulu. Eventually it just it's a beautiful song. I'm not taking anything away from that.
Do you like it when I cry?
Huh?
Do you consider my feelings when you lie? You put me second to some bitch on the side?
Yeah, it's a good song, Shem, but yeah, for me it's hell no.
Brawam, that bananota is kusanophuma la ngoma yakhala and Tata Sterling and make it down. What did Gela now? You forget I was with you before the ranks came. That's yo, bruh. Sorry, no.
Yo, Nasty has a catalog.
Bruh.
You played yourself. You played yourself. She cheated on you. There's so many good songs.
Even if you go back to Price City,
Yo!
Imagine
pressure lo buthetha ngani ufakanga. The good songs from Price City Mistake.
Yo! From Price City, uthi bad hair. uthi extensions,
Aye, bruh.
uthi lost files, uthi
Yo, talk about Lost Files. That Lost
Now,
Files has some nice songs.
uthi usuka from lost files uzongena ku strings and blings. Unyuke from strings and blings, and I think from there mna to El Tala I'm cool.
After Strings and
After
Blings.
strings and blings.
But give yourself time to listen to Orlando. To I Love It
crazy,
Here.
crazy.
US and Mfaga nae. They know we're tripping. I won't play my position. Let's get up. Yeah. Hit it how you want.
I think.
man.
Do you think he's peaked Okanye? There's more.
Honestly.
Yeah.
I think he's relaxed and more than Basngat he's picked. I think he's got to that. I don't think he is as hungry as he was. That's my take.
For with me, ne? I think Honesty C now is much more relaxed. He's free. He's enjoying and living his life.
Yeah.
No
Even
more,
when you
no
look
more,
at
no
his-
more working for another man now. There's no more sign. Also, grand according to me. So obvious that element of your relaxer and now trying to really connect with South Africans now has been brought back. For my side. After Lemon's Lemonade,
Yeah.
Honesty changed.
Bro,
But yabona but ukhula.
babethiwa ku-honorable mentions bazofaka yena.
Azabazabaza. Uthi yamtshekena lento yala verse. He goes hard on verses and then the one that people love.
That means abantu abarelate kulakho hard as much as bayarelate.
Yeah, and
Nice
that's
things.
usually the case. That's
In my
usually the
corner, a
case.
10 or my
Yeah.
Maradona.
Huh? Yeah.
Yo.
And also another honorable mention for me is his verse on Langoma Kapoit. Was that?
What's that? Yo.
That is a version set of Kai Kids with a
Yo.
suburban.
Yo.
He
Yo.
killed it. He made that song for Poit.
Napaka way it go. That's just the way it go.
That's the way.
I don't care for that song.
You don't care. They told me your verses are cool, nigga.
I don't care for that
nasty.
You
song.
sound a little like so and so.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sivale.
Okay, masivale. Also, uthi relaxile. I don't also think he's peaked. I feel like there's more he can do. There's more he can offer. Do you have him top 10 yakho?
In Mzans?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Top
Definitely.
5? Top 5?
Yeah.
Definitely.
Oh, okay. Clean. Who's the next one, Gogo? MT.
Yeah. MT. Before we MT.
Oh, Fernando Kangel. I think it's
MT.
our Puma solid 10.
Yeah. MT.
Because I don't know that
MT.
much.
Before we do.
Catalog yakhe nisayikhumbulayo ngu-Avery till
Before
today.
we do AKA. It's fair that we do. It's fair that after Nasty C we do MT. Yeah.
Or
Then
not
after
Aries.
that we do Aries.
After that we can do Aries and then we can do Mega.
But I don't
But
know
if
Mtolo ka
Mega,
Aries.
man.
Okay, that's fine.
Ngifuna ngitell mega because ngifuna KO Questa and then Aries later on.
Then
But you'll need someone else on this seat. I don't know Mtolo. The only album that I know ka Landuka. So
Guarantee.
I know ka Aries.
And that's why
Paradise.
That's why in the city.
uyafana nam. Yes,
Okay, but
listen, man, listen. Well, Aries they believe in a cult following. And your party like Nam does the album yokuqala.
Present Dads.
Yeah, present tense. Ziyacanga.
Ngivela kuwe. Ngivela kuwe.
Ziyacanga.
Okay. So the next one with MT. After MT must decide then between KO no Quest.
Any of the two mna nangxaki.
Nama no problem.
Yeah, nangxaki. Yo, Dakar 1, Dakar 2. Yo.
don't have that.
Yo. Okay, so MT, man, I know the reason I did it there. So yeah,
I'm putting out on my city, yeah.
No, MT is one of my
Yeah, it was
favorites. It's one of my
38.
favorites. Yeah.
I think once we've reached 20, we can do top 10 verses. Can you features? Top 10 features.
Another thing as well. Top 10 features, and then another thing we should producers, they don't get
Enough
credit
recognition,
enough.
yeah.
Well, we should do with the producers.
And music videos, man. Boy.
Yeah.
Then there are people who work on their craft when it
Okay,
comes
so
to.
u-10-10 will not only be 1 out of 10.
Yeah.
So xa sesirichile mhlambe kwabantu sibacingayo,
Yeah.
we can go ba
10
top 10 of movies zasemzantsi.
Yeah.
Yabo, yonke
Music
laa-
videos, all that stuff.
Top 10 of books.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, clean. Okay. Yeah, this has been u-10-10. We are out. Oh, sorry. This guy has a podcast. This guy has a podcast. Tourism podcast. Drop weekly. It drops weeks.
It drops
Thursdays.
Thursdays weekly. Ixesha 6 p.m.
Okay.
Love follows me
And
like
then-
I retweet.
Unansika Utobani has
Conversations at the block.
Conversations at the block
Conversations at the
podcast now. Drop out uLwesithathu uLwesine noLwesihlanu each and every week. And then obviously again Nayful podcast. So yeah. If uyamthanda uqonda iyacinga lo bra iya ku tourism. If naye uyaqonda engithethela kamnandi iya ngapha ku conversations usheke nami siqondane ngqo.
Yeah,
Yes.
it's still eye to eye.
Yes, and then we meet here for this one. We meet
Yeah.
here for this
Sure.
one.
So we drop every Monday at 6 o'clock. Out.
Shout out.
Thank you.